This is Kadiza Akther, a university graduate with a BBA degree from Chittagong University, major in HRM, that is Human Resource Management. Welcome to my video resume. I have been preparing myself for the last 4 years for the competitive job market and have a built network over the 12,000 connections on LinkedIn. For that, completed various courses on problem solving, critical thinking, strategic thinking, build relationship, time management, and more. I have gained social experience, such as serving 1,000 consumers in product sampling project to enhance my professional competency. I excel in communication and stress management skills, as I love to connect with people, love to understanding other psychology. That's why I completed Silva Ultramind Esp system and meditation course, that is mind training course. For that, I have been preparing for the last 2 years in a meditative way. That's why it's slightly easy for me to convince or influence others in a positive way. Facebook is a giant social media I utilize efficiently as a platform for my page, PDCS, where I serve students for personal development and career solution. I have a published article about way of achieving the dream in online news portal, that is dailyarts.com. I believe my strong problem-solving skills, capability skills, and proven patience make me a competent candidate. So if you are convinced to hire me, you can contact with me through my email or WhatsApp. Grateful to you for watching my video resume.